As the national capital continues to sizzle under severe heat wave conditions with the mercury touching 50 degrees Celsius, the Delhi LG VK Saxena has issued orders to provide a 3-hour paid break to laborers. And as per the order, all of the workers and laborers will be given a paid break between the hours of 12 noon to 3 p.m. And this is particularly significant because this is usually the peak timing for heat. Now, this break will remain in place until temperatures drop below 40 degrees Celsius. The LG has also ordered to provide adequate water and coconut water as well, which will provide electrolytes to the workers at construction sites, and is also instructed to keep water in pitchers at bus stands. Now, as he issued the orders, he also flagged the lack of the part of the Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal. In fact, hitting back, the Delhi Health Minister Saurabh Bharadwaj has said that the Aam Aadmi Party government has been making heatwave preparations even before the LG's office became active, and urged the Lieutenant Governor to give up the negativity.
जितने भी अस्पताल हैं केंद्र सरकार के, दिल्ली सरकार के, ईएसआई के, एनडीएमसी के, एमसीडी के, कैंट के, रेलवेज के, ऑटोनॉमस प्राइवेट, सबको एडवाइजरी दी गई कि आपके यहाँ हीट स्ट्रोक के केसेस को डेली रिकॉर्ड करना है और उसकी रिपोर्टिंग करनी है, किस फॉर्मेट में करना है ये भी दिया गया 8 मार्च को। फिर ये अप्रैल के अंदर दोबारा एडवाइजरी दी गई है। और एक बड़ी अच्छी बात है कि एलजी साहब के अपने विभाग को, उनके अंदर एक पुलिस विभाग आता है दिल्ली पुलिस, उनके विभाग को भी मेरे विभाग द्वारा 18 अप्रैल को एडवाइजरी दी गई। और एलजी साहब को मालूम ही नहीं है, वो आज हमारे चीफ सेक्रेटरी को लिख के कह रहे हैं कि हीट वेव पे कुछ नहीं हो रहा।
Now, he also alleged that the objective behind the LG's letter was not to give suggestions to combat the heat wave, but instead to humiliate the state government and portray it in a negative light.
ये बहुत दुख हो रहा है कि उपराज्यपाल महोदय इस तरीके की चिट्ठी लिखते हैं और दुर्भावना से लिखते हैं। अगर सुझाव के उद्देश्य से लिखें तो लगता है कि अच्छा सुझाव है, स्वागत होना चाहिए सुझाव, मगर इस दुर्भावना से लिखते हैं कि किसी तरीके से दूसरे को छोटा दिखाया जा सके, खुद को बड़ा दिखाया जा सके। इस चीज़ को एलजी साहब को करने से बचना चाहिए। उनका बहुत बड़ा पद है, इस सब चीज़ों से उनके पद की गरिमा जो है बहुत ज़्यादा घटती है, मेरा ऐसा मानना है।
Now, crossing over to my colleague Nikhil, who has been tracking all the developments when it comes to the heat wave in the capital. Nikhil, you know, you're somebody who's been on the ground, as we just mentioned. You're also somebody who's been tracking all the developments. You've been speaking to the people. We're now seeing a war of words between the LG and the Delhi government over measures in order that will safeguard the residents of the capital. What are the measures that you've been seeing on the ground over the last few weeks?
Well, the measures are yet to be implemented because the orders which have been given by the LG office to DDA have already come out yesterday only. So we need to see as to how much the implementation is going to take place starting from today. But the meeting for the same was convened on May 20th. And this is another reason as to why Saurabh Bharadwaj, who is the health minister of the capital city, he has hit back hard to the Delhi LG, saying that in the month of March only we issued some of the required directions and the advisories to the concerned department. But nonetheless, as far as the advisory is concerned, which is now coming out from the side of the Delhi LG office, he has said that between 12 to 3 p.m. when the heat is on its peak, that time the break should be given to all the laborers who are working across the city, and also the shade should be provided to them. There should be adequate facility of not just the water but also the coconut water should be equally provided to them. So these are some of the measures which have been directed by Delhi LG VK Saxena, which have to be implemented starting from today. But also in the last, there is direction which is given out to Chief Secretary Naresh Kumar as well, that in his personal capacity, he can call in for any of the meeting with all the stakeholders if required to, come up with the new plans as far as the heat wave and the action for the same is concerned.
Absolutely. Nikhil, do stay with us as we kind of cover another aspect of the tussle between the ruling Delhi government and the LG, which has escalated again because the Delhi LG, Vinay Saxena, has suspended R.N. Das, the OSD of the health minister, Saurabh Bharadwaj. The LG, in fact, claimed that the bureaucrat was involved in irregular and illegal registration of private nursing homes. Remember, earlier last month, Das was issued a show-cause notice by the Directorate of Vigilance in connection with the alleged irregularities in the procurement of various items such as PPE kits, gloves, masks and rapid antigen tests kits, which were worth about 60 crore rupees during the COVID-19 pandemic in 2021. Now, the Aam Aadmi Party is calling this yet another conspiracy by the LG at the behest of the BJP to stop the Delhi government from functioning smoothly. The BJP, on the other hand, says that action has been taken over the lapses by the state government in the fire incident.
मेरे यहाँ पे जितने भी OSDs, सेक्रेटरीज काम कर रहे हैं, सबके ऊपर अलग अलग मामलों के अंदर कोई ना कोई मुकदमा चलाने की कोशिश लगातार चल रही है। कोई भी मामला ऐसा नहीं है जो मेरे कार्यकाल का हो। सारे मामले ऐसे हैं जो पुराने मामले हैं, पुराने सरकारी कर्मचारी हैं, अलग अलग विभागों में काम करते रहे हैं। किसी भी कर्मचारी की कोई भी चीज़ निकाल के उसको सस्पेंड करते रहो, इंक्वायरी चलती रहेगी, वो आदमी सस्पेंड रहेगा। कुछ साबित कोई ना करना है आपको, तो बस कुछ निकालना है, इंक्वायरी के नाम पे उसको सस्पेंड कर देना है।
दिल्ली के विवेक विहार अग्निकांड में 7 मासूम बच्चों की जिंदगी छीनने वाले भ्रष्ट अधिकारी स्वास्थ्य मंत्री दिल्ली सरकार के OSD RN दास को आज सस्पेंड कर दिया गया है। लेकिन ये अभी सिर्फ शुरुआत है। ऊपर से नीचे तक हर वो अधिकारी जो इस भ्रष्टाचार के खेल में शामिल था, उन सब के खिलाफ कार्रवाई की मांग हम और तेज करेंगे। चाहे वो दिल्ली फायर सर्विसेज के वो अफसर हों जिन्होंने आंखें मूंद रखी थी, चाहे वो अफसर जिन्होंने इन फाइलों पे साइन किए थे, किसी को बख्शा नहीं जाएगा। उनके खिलाफ हमारी लड़ाई जारी रहेगी।
Requesting over my colleague Nikhil to get us more on this. Nikhil Das was issued a show-cause notice by the Department of Vigilance last month. The Aam Aadmi Party is, however, claiming that this is a conspiracy. Has this moved to the courts yet?
Well, RN Das, who is the OSD to Health Minister, Saurabh Bharadwaj, he has now been suspended, but he was said to be the person who was very closely attached with Saurabh Bharadwaj. But there are many of the things which have been alleged against RN Das, and clearly the allegations which have been made by the LG office is that he has abused his power, and also the Prevention of Corruption Act 1988 should be invoked against him. And the action has been taken on the account of the misreporting, at the time when he was CMS of one of the nursing home, and it was alleged that beyond the period of the valid registration point, the Jyoti nursing home, particularly in the Shahadra area, it was working, it was operative for a very long time, and it should have been sealed by that time. In the year 2014, the Jyoti nursing home in Shahadra applied for a license, but it was kept pending by all the officials, including RN Das, who was the main authority at that time. So the allegations are being made that he is the one who made all the things possible for the management of the nursing home. He was very much hand in gloves. He abused his power, and there are a couple of other allegations as well which have been made against him. And because of the carelessness which was reported in the Vivek Vihar fire incident, where 7 of the infants were they lost their life. This is the similar kind of incident and the carelessness which is being reported from another nursing home. So the action has been taken against RN Das. The politics is continuously taking place because Saurabh Bharadwaj, who was very closely attached with RN Das, he has come out hitting hard with the LG office and the central administration so far. Back to you.